In this tutorial, we'll explain how to create, edit, import, and export tags in Azor Match Analysis. Once inside the project, you'll find the Tags module. At the bottom, you'll see 3 symbols. The first symbol is a plus sign. Clicking on it will open a new window where you can adjust the parameters to create a new tag. First, you'll enter the name for the tag. Next, you'll see the prefix field if you wish to add one. Then you'll move to the time adjustment section. Azor Match Analysis allows you to set a pre-time and post-time. These settings determine how much time before and after the current point will be captured when you activate the tag, based on the reference point you are at. Finally, you can choose a color that best suits your needs. After entering all the desired information, click Save. The next symbol you'll see is the export icon. Once you've created several individual tags, you can save them all as a template to reuse in future projects. Simply click the icon, and when the File Explorer opens, select the folder where you want to save the template and click Save. Finally, there's the Import icon. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will open. Navigate to the location where your previously saved tag template is stored, select it, and click Open. Follow us for more content and stay updated on all the latest features of your sports analysis software.